Breaking news. Global markets in freefall as Trump's 104% China tariffs take effect. The global economy is reeling as U.S. President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs send shockwaves across markets worldwide. Staggering 104% tariff on Chinese goods has just come into effect, marking a dramatic escalation in the U.S.-China trade war. But that's not all. This isn't just about China. Dozens of countries, from the European Union to India, are now caught in the crossfire of what's shaping up to be one of the most disruptive trade policies in modern history. Let's break it down. Stock markets across Asia are in freefall. Japan's Nikkei has plunged over 3%. Taiwan's stocks have nosedived nearly 6%. And South Korea's currency, the yuan, has hit a 16-year low. Meanwhile, in the US, the S&P 500 is teetering on the edge of a bear market. With $5.8 trillion wiped out in just a week, yes, you heard that right, trillions of dollars gone, and the ripple effects are being felt everywhere. And it's not just the markets. China's yuan has slid to a 19-month low, and social media in China is buzzing with mockery of the US. With users pointing to empty grocery shelves and skyrocketing prices, some are even calling for countermeasures, like banning American poultry and eggs. Imagine that, a trade war that could hit your breakfast table. But here's the kicker. Trump's tariffs aren't just targeting China. The European Union is facing a 20% tariff, India 26%, and Cambodia a whopping 49%. Tariffs are being justified as reciprocal, but economists are warning that this could push the global economy closer to a recession. Inflation is rising, businesses are struggling, and the world is watching as the US doubles down on its protectionist stance. Now, here's where you come in. Isn't just a story about numbers and policies, it's about how these decisions will affect you. From the price of your smartphone to the cost of everyday goods, this trade war is hitting closer to home than you might think. So, what can you do? Stay informed. Share this story. Demand accountability from leaders who are playing high-stakes games with the global economy. Meanwhile, central banks are scrambling to respond. India and New Zealand have already cut interest rates, trying to cushion the blow. ASEAN leaders are calling for bold action to integrate their economies and reduce reliance on the US and China. But will it be enough? Or are we heading toward a fractured global economy where everyone loses? And let's not forget the industries caught in the crossfire. Mining companies in Australia are taking a beating, with shares of major players like BHP down over 4%. Pharmaceutical stocks in India are also tumbling after Trump hinted at new tariffs on drug imports. Even base metal prices like copper are plummeting, reflecting fears of a global slowdown. So what's next? Will these tariffs force countries to the negotiating table, as Trump claims, or will they deepen the divide, pushing the world closer to economic chaos? One thing is clear, the stakes have never been higher. If you're as concerned as we are, don't just sit back. Share this video, talk about it, and make your voice heard. The global economy isn't just a headline, it's your future, and we'll be here keeping you updated every step of the way. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay engaged. This is your world and it's changing fast. Don't let it change without you.